Questions concerning a defendant's constitutional rights arise in white-collar crime cases just as in any other kind of criminal case. However, because the Fifth Amendment's privilege against self-incrimination applies to grand jury witnesses as well as criminal defendants, Fifth Amendment issues frequently arise with respect to grand jury investigations. Under the Fifth Amendment, a witness testifying before a grand jury or at a criminal trial can't be compelled to incriminate herself. But the government can compel a witness to testify in such proceedings by granting the witness immunity from prosecution. Federal law requires that the witness be granted use or derivative use immunity. This kind of immunity precludes the government from using any direct testimony or evidence derived from the witness's testimony against the witness in a subsequent prosecution. It's different from transactional immunity, which is available in some states. Transactional immunity guarantees the witness complete immunity from prosecution with respect to the relevant matter, even if the government doesn't use the witness's testimony directly or derivatively. If the government intends to prosecute a witness who's received immunity, the trial court must hold a hearing at which the government must prove, by a preponderance of the evidence, that the evidence to be used at trial came from a legitimate source that's entirely unconnected to the compelled testimony. This hearing is called a Cagar hearing. The privilege against self-incrimination also applies to compelled testimonial acts, meaning acts that convey information just as testimony does. An act is testimonial if it expressly or implicitly makes a factual assertion or discloses information.